Welcome back to my channel, Risk with Terror. Today we're going to be playing the meta settings, although not Capital Conquest this time, but just normal world domination. I decided to play white today because it's my second favorite color when it comes to playing Risk. I hope to get a good start with a lot of quick bonuses so I can maybe snowball. We also have blizzards. This is fixed. 60 seconds. I can just check the... Yeah, so we have Europe Advanced. It's auto setup, 60 seconds. Expert. It is ranked. Fixed. Balance splits. I only play balanced. I don't really like true random. We have intermediate as the minimum to grandmaster. Alliances are off and fog is off. Blizzards are on and the inactivity behavior is neutral. Okay, green is asking for alliance. I think I'll send an alliance to every person to start. Okay. Very interesting board. Okay. So we have a 1-point hold British Empire and Iceland. Also a 1-point hold Scandinavia, which leads to a 2-point hold Scandinavia plus Central Europe. Then we have a Southwestern Europe on a 1-point hold, which actually extends to West Africa. So if you... Ooh! There's also a blizzard in Egypt and GGL. Nice. Like a sex. Give him a heart. So if you have Benghazi or Greece, you'll control this entire pocket. Italy is a 2-point hold. Pretty nice. Queen's take Italy. And it's also a blizzard over here in Russia. So we have like... You have the East, Russian Empire and Orient, and Eastern Europe you can control. Then there's like a southern pocket with Southwestern Europe, with Africa and North Africa. And then I would say a western pocket with Iceland, British Empire, and Western Europe. And then kind of a central pocket with Central Europe, Dinaric Alps, Southern Europe, and Scandinavia. Okay, now it's Orange's turn. Let's actually look at the players we're playing with today. So we have in the first seed General the Black from Poland. Then General Tanaka from the United States. Then we have Berg the Weird 2 from Germany. Then we have General Oddman from Spain. We have to be aware of the Spanish players. You never know what they're up to. And then we have me, Terror Storm. And in the last seed, Bertram Risico 24 from France. So, okay, let's see. Maybe... The best bonus for me is probably Iceland, actually. I think I'm gonna be using the new corner, expanding from the new corner. Okay, Orange is trying to hold an unguarded Southwestern Europe. Blue probably takes France, but I'm still taking Iceland, definitely. So we have Black in Scandi, Green in Southern Europe. Okay, Red is for Southwestern Europe. And... Orange could actually easily expand to North Africa and Southwestern Europe and Orient eventually. Okay, I'll take Iceland. I'll take Iceland. Gotta make myself clear that I want Empire also. Blue is my ally, so even if he takes France, I should be fine. Okay, he's going for Orient, which is very good for me. That means I will probably hold the Western pocket. Okay, ready. Accept my alliance. Good. So next turn I'm taking British Empire, and then the turn after that I'm definitely taking Western Europe. That will give me a +9, which is alright, I would say. Definitely not better than the southern pocket with Southwestern Europe, West Africa, and North Africa, but still should be enough to at least get a stable position. So the only person... No, we're actually allied to everybody, which is nice. Yeah, okay. Black takes Scandinavia this turn and takes Western Europe next. I mean, Central Europe next turn. Okay, gets it. And 4v1 is 100% blitz. Signifying he also won that. Okay. I'll give him a +8. I'll still be getting more after my third turn. Okay. Okay, green goes bad to orange, breaks him in the Dinaric Alps. I did kind of see this coming, I mean. Yeah, orange was just not holding anything. Okay. Now orange is in definitely a worse position. He's not completely lost yet. Could actually go bad to red, which would be quite funny, to be honest. But I think if I'm orange, I'm just taking North Africa. Nothing else to do. Oh, he is breaking red. Okay. He succeeds. Okay. Orange will be taking this pocket unless somebody contests him for it. Maybe green actually does. Okay, yeah. So red is in a very, very bad spot. Red probably has to just focus on Eastern Europe now. No, he fights back, but it's meaningless. I mean, yeah. Because orange is also gonna add troops. And orange is probably just gonna take Spain next turn. Yeah, red is trying to get as many territories as possible, but it's gonna get wiped out anyway. Okay, yeah, I definitely take British Empire. Nice. We have a pretty nice 1-point hold, +5. Yes. Okay, blue takes orange next turn. He got a bad dice, so he can't do it this turn. Okay. Black probably just takes Central Europe this turn. I'm actually very interested in the possibility of me getting this juicy pocket here in West Africa and Southwestern Europe. I'll have to, yeah, black guards. Okay. What does green do? Maybe green takes Southwestern Europe? No, he just guards. It's a large stack in Alps, which I'm not too keen about. Nothing I can do about that, I think. Yeah, he gets very good dice. No, stop there. Oh, he continues. Okay. Wipes me out. I mean, I still have Lviv. Yeah. I'm worried about me taking France and then green betraying me. Maybe I actually take Spain here. Nah, he gets very good dice. I mean, it's not impossible. Ooh, I'm really, really, really thinking about it. Yeah, red. Yeah, red is pretty much done. How much would that be? That would be 12 troops. Oh, I don't know. I think I should just take France here. Yeah, I think that's smartest decision. Yeah, we take France, but interior guard. Because there's nowhere for me to go. Like, I've taken my pocket, now there's nowhere for me to go. Yeah, blue finally takes orange. There's nobody in Russia and Eastern Europe. Okay, maybe black. I don't know what black does. Black probably just guards. Does black break blue? No, he doesn't. Okay. Yeah, he brings his troops home. Okay, now it's green turn. I think green probably takes Southeastern Europe. My guess. Maybe also North Africa, but that would be a bit too ambitious. Does he break me? No, he doesn't, right? No, I didn't think so. Yeah, takes his bonus. I'm actually happy about blue being here. It kind of puts green in check. Yeah, now it's orange's turn. I don't have a set, unfortunately. If orange has a set, he should really trade it in, just to... Yeah, good, okay. Yeah, orange has this. I was thinking about, maybe coming in, but it's not possible anymore. Yeah, he cleans out the pocket. Okay, that's gonna be a problem for green, because orange is coming out of the pocket. Does he clean red out? Yeah, probably sits there, right? Takes me out. Yeah, that's what I expected. I probably just... Maybe if red has a set, he could suicide into orange, which would be quite funny. Yeah, red is just trying to survive, but his situation is very dire. Yeah, just takes a card, passes. Maybe tries to signify he wants Russia. Yeah, we just take a card. Nothing for us to do. Maybe we pull our stack out, do we? I don't know actually. No, I'm honestly fine with this. Honestly fine with this. We have a set if we need it. Blue sets. Blue has a good trade. Ooh, does blue break green? No, he just guards, right? Yeah, makes sense. Okay, this board stabilizes in this position. Maybe blue wants Russia, but can't do it now. Red is in Russia. As long as I have my exterior in Belarus, I'm fine. If that gets removed, I probably just have to not take any cards because I can't break green or black. He doesn't break me, right? No, he just guards very strongly. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Does he remove me? No, he doesn't. Okay. I think we probably add a bit more to Belarus just so it doesn't get removed. Green is in a very ooh. Blue or orange? Orange, yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's very interesting. Green removes. Maybe it doesn't remove, but really punches orange. Yeah, orange is probably dead. Okay, green is very strong. Maybe we'll say to the other players, attack green. Attack green. Of course, the orange, attack green. Wow. Okay, blue says thumbs down. Wow, green is way too big right now. Way too big. Yeah. Orange is just dead. Yeah, he's just dead. I mean, I can't let green hold all this. It's way too much. Attack green? Maybe it works. Probably not. Yeah, didn't think so. Green is just gonna be way too strong. Do I set? Even if I set, I mean, Cassie. Okay, maybe. I'm sorry, but I need to take a territory. What if I just take Italy? Okay, cool. I'm just taking Italy. Nothing personal. Just taking Italy. Yeah, he likes that. Okay, give him a thumbs up. I mean, this is good for me. I'm gonna be one of the strongest players. Okay, blue breaks even though he thumbs down me. No, he doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't. Just takes a card. What is he doing? Yeah, he just takes cards. No, he does break green. Okay, he does. He does break green, but only once. I don't really understand what blue's doing, but maybe he has a plan. Okay. See what black does. Yeah, green is not happy about that. I'm very curious to see what black does. He's not doing anything yet. I think he's thinking about his turn. But with only 60 seconds, he doesn't have a lot of time to think. Ooh, I don't like that at all. I do not like that at all. He removes me. That's not good. He doesn't break my 20, right? Wait, that's very threatening. Like, I don't like that at all. Man, I just don't really trust black with that massive stack in Netherlands. That sucks. Now I can't get cards. Yeah, removes orange. Although it doesn't kill orange. Orange lives another turn. I mean, I just can't really trust black, but I think I have to. I mean, if I break him, I'm cooked. Okay. Green has actually been pretty nice to me so far. Yeah, I think we probably skip here. Don't have anything else to do. Yeah, orange is dead, but orange and red are just dead. I think red probably kills orange here. Yeah, sets and kills orange is what I would do. Yeah, let's take a game. Okay, I don't think I do anything. Like, it's just threatening me way too much. Yeah. Okay. Red, what does red do? Ooh, does red break green? No. What is he doing? I don't understand that. Is card blocking green? That's not gonna work. I don't think we do anything actually. Just put troops here and here. Skip. Green is gonna get a lot, but he's gonna use it on my opponents. So it isn't actually an issue. Yeah, blue breaks. That's expected. Does he get all the way to Spain? He also wants to break the Narragansett Alps. I don't actually think he should focus on that. He should probably just... Yeah. I mean, okay. 6, 5, 4, 3. Yeah. With perfect dice, he can break Spain. But that's not guaranteed. So. I think he gets it. Nice. Okay. Breaks all of green. Green is very weakened by that. Which is very good for me, because green would get very strong. Otherwise. Okay, what does black do? I have a weird feeling about black. Hopefully he doesn't just suicide into me. Don't want to emote either. Okay, good. He doesn't. I was a little worried. Okay, it is kind of suspicious if he breaks blue here, I will say. It doesn't look like he does. He wants to take Russia. He doesn't break that, right? No, good. Please go to Netherlands. Okay, good. Finally. Oh my god. Okay, I'm curious to see what red does now. Green takes back Spain. Hmm. Okay, sorry, I just had to do something. Okay, so we kill green, and then black is really an issue. Okay, green is offline. I don't actually know if we can do anything about black. Kill green. Yeah, I can't really see anything we can do about black. just take as many of his territories as possible. Okay. We have the guard pocket. Ooh, does he try to break? That'd be very expensive for him. But I mean, red is practically out of the game. No, he takes Italy. Okay, takes Italy. No, maybe he does break. He does. Okay, he does. Ooh, okay. He doesn't get to Spain, but he gets... With good dice, he gets to West Africa. Please lose one. Yes! Okay, he has to lose this or else I'm done. Yeah, okay. We have a little chance. I have a set. Okay, it's not completely over, but it's not looking very good. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, he takes as many of my territories as possible. I have to say, attack black. Yeah, black guards. Oh. Yeah, okay. This is very, very bad. Wow. Terrible position. But I can't just lay down. I have to fight back. Okay, we go through, yeah. Okay. I have to break everything. This pocket is also essential. So we have to break everything. Probably. Okay. Go through the 6. Okay, good enough. I can actually take this pocket also. That'd be really nice. Okay, good. Okay. It's not completely over. I mean, if he's fast enough, it's practically over. Red is still in the game. Red can kill blue. Okay, that is not guaranteed at all. He'll have at best an 8 versus my 6. I don't know the odds. I think it's maybe 50%. He gets it, okay. He gets to break one of my bonuses. Oh, he doesn't! That's amazing! Wow, I really needed that. Oh my god. That is amazing. Yeah, okay, he gets his stuff back, but I still hold that. Okay. Attack blue, and then attack black. Yeah. Red and I have to work together for this to work. Fail that one? Fail? Ah, okay, gets it. He doesn't remove him from the pocket completely. Okay. Yeah, you have to. Yeah. You have to attack blue and then attack black. Oh, okay. Now red is actually a factor again. That's incredible. I mean, he lost everything on the second turn when orange took Spain from him. Yeah, it takes orange. And now I say attack black, please. He stops, of course. He just guards. Okay, I think I break all black's bonuses, but still have something left here. Maybe like this. This could work. Start. Black probably has a set. Oh. Okay. Please. Yes, okay, I'm lucky. Nice. Okay, we get it. Okay. That's really good. Please don't have a set. Ooh. He doesn't have a set. Okay. Yeah. Attack black. Okay. I'm kind of worried of red betraying me. But I mean, there's nothing else to do. Yeah, black gets all his bonuses back. Yeah, he gets everything back. Okay, red has to do something. Okay, Avocet next turn. Okay, you have to attack black. You have to. It's essential for the game. Please. You have to attack black. Oh my god. Dude, attack black. Come on, man. You have to. At least attack something of his. God, attack something. Yeah, good. Good. Only one bonus though. I mean, I can't break all of his bonuses. I'll break these two. That's how far I'm willing to go. Yeah, I still got 20. What does he do? Oh, please not all your troops. Okay, good. Yeah, he focuses on red. Nice. No. What does he do? That's not big enough. Yeah, I mean, that if he decides to it... if he hits my stack, it's game over. Please don't do that. No, he's not dumb enough, right? Does he hit red? That's the question. He doesn't hit red. Okay. Doesn't hit red. You have to attack black. You have to. Oh my god, no, please. Yeah. He's just guarding. If this continue, I just lose. I'm the one getting the least amount of troops. Okay, I just lose. If this continues. Yeah, I just lose. That sucks. That really sucks. Is there anything I can do about that? I have to continue hitting black, right? What the fuck, seriously? Maybe I can go through red. What if I say, sorry, I need to take a territory, then I hit black through red. Yeah, I really have to get this pocket. Okay, I get the pocket. As long as black doesn't have a set, he could still break through, but it's gonna cost him all of his troops. Most of his troops. Decides to do it anyway. Yeah, and gets good enough dice. Okay. Yeah, now okay, red wins this game now. Nothing I can do about it. But I couldn't just sit there and not do anything. Okay, what does red do? He probably just retakes his bonuses, right? Does he hit my stack? It's looking like it. No, he doesn't, right? Yeah, he just retakes his bonuses. That makes sense. Yeah, but if I continue hitting black, red just wins. I can't continue hitting black. If I did that, red would just win. Okay, he can't trust me. Trusts me. Red hit my stack now? No, he doesn't. If he breaks South Eastern Europe, I'm a little bit annoyed. I'll be honest. Okay, he doesn't break anything. How much is everyone getting? So he's getting 28 without Germany. I think we can hit black. Shouldn't be bad. Yeah, he guards against me now. It breaks. Very unfriendly move. Yeah, ultimately I just lose if this continues. Man. I'm so tempted. I can't, right? Yeah. I can't. Just have to sit here for a while. How much is everyone getting? So I'm getting 20. Black's getting 34 and white is getting, red is getting 20. Okay. Wow. Bro, you have to attack red. Come on, man. If I had hit black there, red would have easily won. So I couldn't do that. Come on, man. Attack red. What if I put my stack out? This board has to change. Doesn't do anything. Interesting. Now, no, none of us gets cards. Is that what you want? Sure. What am I getting now? 24. Much more. I'll sit here for a bit. I can't let this continue much longer. I'm tired of this. I'm not doing this anymore.
Det er... Og du filmer ikke lige nu, vel?
Ja, jo.
Okay, så stopper jeg. Okay, så kommer jeg igen.
Yeah, black decides to break me, understandably. I'm just tired of this. I don't mind black's position actually. He can take mine. He can take mine any day of the week. Yeah, black is not fast enough to remove him from the pocket. Come on, hit black. Do something, red. Yeah, red is so boring. Doesn't do anything. He's just trying to take his own part of the board. We have to hit red. But we have to hit red. Come on. Okay, this is just suicide. He doesn't. Good. Yeah, me and Black just switch positions. Pretty funny, actually. Oh, hit it. Okay, what does red do? Nothing, right? Or is red really greedy? He might be. He might be. I don't understand that move. Okay, he wants to guard. Okay, sure. Let's take this target. If Black wants to hit me, he has to hit red. How does it feel, Black? Not good, right? Come on, hit red. Yes! Oh, maybe he also hits me. Yeah, he does. This is suicide? No? It's over anyway. It's over. At least he hit some red. Is he abandoned? No. Okay, that was kind of strange. How about you eliminate Black now? Please? Bro, do something. Come on, man. Yeah, this is hopeless. Maybe I can get second. That's all I'm hoping for at this point. Yeah, he wants to get in. Please hit Black. Oh, don't hit me. Red can easily win now. Yeah, he's just taking cards. Still want to get a card. That's much to ask for. Okay, let's see what he does. Screaming. And he just hits me. Okay, I'm just hoping to get second at this point. He doesn't even get the stack out. Yeah, red is just not doing anything at this point. Okay. I'm honestly just hoping red gets the second this game. See if we can remove black from the pot. Oh, really, we can. Our dice are good enough. It was a good game. Yeah, he's accepting his fate. Alright, now it's up to red to decide who gets second and third. I'm just giving him a heart. Okay, it looks like he's spending his entire turn focusing on me. It's not that fast. No, he stops. Can I damage black hard enough? Maybe I can. Fun time. Doesn't matter. Okay. Good dice. 51. Ah. Come on. Alright, close enough. Close enough. Close enough. If he had a set, he would have probably traded during the last turn. Feels to get London. Yeah. We say good game again. I'm very interested to see the ranks of these players. Some of them were okay. I'd say red is not that good. I mean, he overextended to take Spain on his first turn. Then only survived because nobody killed him. Yeah, he kills black first. I'll take a game. Well played. Alright, we get second, which is what I wanted. Nice. Yeah. Now we just wait till Rick kills us. He's definitely not the fastest player red. I'm guessing. Okay, let me guess the ranks. Start with black. Black is an intermediate. Green is an expert, I think. Green played quite well, but he overextended himself. Orange could be an expert or intermediate. I'm guessing expert. The play at the start of the Neric Alps was ambitious, but as a not too weird, considering if Green had been a good neighbor, it would have been a very nice starting bonus. Yeah, so I'm guessing intermediate, expert. Red is an intermediate, definitely. He's very slow and yeah, not very good. I'm of course a Grandmaster. And blue, honestly, I can't remember blue. Where were blue? Blue, yeah, no, I remember now. Blue quit in Orient. He attacked. I would say blue's probably also an intermediate. So 2 experts in green and orange, and rest of the players intermediate. Let's see. I got second. Intermediate, correct. Expert, correct. Intermediate, okay, I was wrong about orange. Intermediate, and blue was an expert. Okay, not too different from what I expected. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.